Ang tiger, meron talagang pera na pwedeng pumasok sa inyo. Because one, the tiger have the prosperity stars. Hindi katulad ng rat at saka ng horse. Meron silang pera, pero pagtatrabahuhan nila. Ang tiger, meron talagang pera na pwedeng pumasok sa inyo. Because one, you have a combination of the prosperity and fortune. Kaiba kasi yan. Iba prosperity, you have money, you have material things. Pero yung fortune, all situations actually, becomes good. No? So maganda yung combination of stars of a tiger. So if you have a tiger, this is one of the things na meron ka. Kahit konting trabaho, maraming pera kaya mong papasukin. Okay? So yan. The only problem of tiger actually is that you have the 6 harms. Okay? The 6 harms meaning may mga tao na hindi talaga magiging okay sa'yo. Meron mga tao na kahit anong gawin mo, they will badmouth you because you have the curved tongue. So ito yung kahit na ano pang gawin mong mabuti sa mata naman ng tao, no, na nasasaktan mo or whatsoever, pwede kang i-deceive. Meron kang backstabbing, pwede kang ma-deceit. So pwede kang meron manakawan, mawalan, yan. No? Ito yung mga mangyayari na hindi maganda para sa tiger. No? So you have this probability of trusting the wrong people or pwedeng kahit wala kang gawin, alam mo na naman na hindi masyadong maganda ang mga external factors. So try to minimize your socializing.